critique in 1 week, and I plan on installing tomorrow. It's the last critique of the fall semester, so I'm very excited, and these probably look a lot different than what YouTube probably saw last time. Just finishing touches. I'm mounting them all today, putting magnets on the back of them so there's distance behind each piece, and I spray painted some nails to have color and have them be more intentional than just a nail. When you peek behind the piece and say, oh, how is that hanging up on the wall? Just pieces of paper, so with magnet. It's so cool. I'm so happy. 5 pieces done, and I need to do 2 more pieces, which are my largest pieces, and then they'll be done and I'll be ready to hang them tomorrow. I'm so excited. I figured I'd bring you guys along as it's the last critique of the fall semester, and then we have a whole month break, and I'm really excited to relax. Come along and I'll show you around. So I know where the magnets go to line up with the marks. Okay, so I've just made the template where the nails will go on the wall that should correspond where the magnets line up on the piece. So now I'm going to test it by mounting it on the wall. Let's see if it works. First things first, I kind of need to make more space. So I'll take down this guy. Theoretically, this should work. Theoretically. Sweet. And then it's up. Yippee! Same process. They're all in that pile. And here we are once again in a very empty studio. Crazy. There.
Are you doing something?
With confidence. Okay, maybe I just bring this up.
Okay.
Real moments captured. Real moments. Art is hard.
Right there. The one's too tall.
This one is?
This is the biggest one. is going to be so awesome. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I love sunlight and the interplay of shadows and directness of the sun. It's so special to me. And finally having my art exposed to the sunlight, I'm so excited about. Like, it's happening a little bit right there. Ah. One more to go. Last one to hang. Let's do it. I hung my pieces up yesterday. It's Friday now, and I'm about to take a peek. The sun is really shining today, so I want to take photos. And I'm so excited. Oh. It's so cool. I'm so excited. This is so cool. I can't. No sunlight on this babe, but it's still there. Final critique today for the fall semester, and then we go on a month break. This is just like crazy. Still have a roll of paper. All 7 pieces that you just saw on the wall carried down the streets of Portland, Maine in a big flat cardboard container. That's the fun of it, isn't it? It's just paper and it's flat and it's lightweight and you can just carry it. I'm editing this current video at the moment. It's December 22nd. I just want to pop on and say thank you so much for all of the support that I've been getting. Through the comments, the views, the likes, the interaction with the videos. I really appreciate it. And I'm on break right now, so I won't be back until January. So I hope you guys had a great year. Have a great year. I just really wanted to express my gratitude to everyone that has spent time watching these videos. It's been crazy. It's been such a learning curve. That's all from me, folks. See you later. Bye.